Hi there, thanks for joining us. In this Repricer.com video, we're going to take a look at the different types of minimum and maximum price you can employ with an eBay repricing rule. To pull up your repricing rules, go to Repricing Rules on the left-hand side of your screen. If you have already created an eBay repricing rule, just make sure that the filter drop-down at the top is set to eBay repricing rules or all repricing rules. If you haven't yet created a rule, go to Create a Repricer and then choose an eBay repricing rule. Please note you will have to have added an eBay channel before you can do this. Now that we have your rule open, scroll down to the min-max product price section. In here you'll find there are 3 different options for eBay repricing rules. The first, manually assign, is the most commonly used. It basically means that you've set a minimum and maximum price on each individual product. Whenever the repricing rule runs and checks your product's price, it will use that minimum and maximum price. We do have some other videos on the channel which talk about assigning min-maxes and rules. We do have some other videos on the channel which talks about assigning min-maxes and how you can do this via the product screen or an import. It's with the second and the third option where things get a little more interesting. Our second option, min-max plus minus, allows you to take that same min-max price that you've put on an individual product and tweak it on a rule level. This can be very powerful, and here's a couple of examples. Say your supplier has increased all of their prices by 20%. You could go through each individual product and increase their minimum or maximum by 20%. Or you could just come to your rule, increase it by 20% here, and you're done. And here also is another example. Say you're looking to clear out some old stock. Create a rule, which is to clear stock. Then set it up to reduce your minimum price by say 25 or 30%. This means you don't have to worry about going to each individual product, changing the minimum maximum. It'll all happen automatically by just assigning this rule. So let's take a look at our third option, new rule min-max. This one is pretty self-explanatory. What it allows you to do is to create a min-max for this rule, and then that min-max will automatically be applied to any product that you assign this rule to. This is particularly helpful when you have groups or categories of products where the min-max just doesn't change. Then you don't have to worry about going into each product and assigning a min-max. And that's just a quick overview of the different minimum and maximum price types within Repricer for eBay. We have many other eBay repricing videos here on the channel. Why not have a look? If you haven't yet started your Repricer trial, we offer one free for 14 days, no credit card required. Or why don't you get in touch with one of our team to book a demo? Thanks for joining me today and have a great day.